von der SFB Group sind
The SFB Group has been one of the leading manufacturers of valve technology and hydraulic components for over 80 years. We chose Sarissa to help us meet the increasingly high quality demands of our customers. The task was to develop an assembly line that could meet a target of 0 defects and at the same time manage to deal with the enormous variety of our 1,500 different assemblies. We have a modern assembly line based on Industry 4.0. On this line, the Sarissa system takes over operator management and ensures correct assembly. Sarissa ensures completion of each of the work steps by monitoring all the gripping and screwing positions. So far, we've produced more than 30,000 assemblies without a single error. It was a hugely important step for us to be able to meet the ever-increasing quality requirements of our customers. In our assembly plant, a paperless logistics concept is used, in which operating orders are applied directly from the ERP system into the line control system. During setup, all items are scanned and compared with the parts list. Only then does the laser get its release. The laser is used to label each component with a unique serial number, both in plain text and with a data matrix code. Without this data matrix code, it is not possible to start. After the part is successfully scanned, all resulting process data is assigned to this serial number.
alle anfallenden Prozessdaten dieser Serien.
The worker is guided through the process in real time by the Sarissa system. If a process step is not performed correctly or if it is skipped, the following process is locked. The Sarissa system can also detect when a component has been dropped accidentally with the help of an external sensor. The screwdriver is released by the Sarissa system only when all necessary steps have been completed. The Sarissa system calculates the exact position of the screwdriver and automatically sets the correct torque on the screwdriver for that position. When the Sarissa program registers the work complete at Station 1, the component receives a digital I/O stamp. If a workstation does not issue a release, the assembly cannot be processed further because all the stations are networked with each other. The throttle pins are particularly critical components as they can very quickly fall into the borehole in an incorrect position. The position of the throttle pin is checked by a pneumatic flow measurement. If the worker forgets to perform this step, the process at the next station cannot be started. The O-ring is then installed, pressed, and tested by a camera. It is only possible to remove the component after a successful test. The final assembly step is the insertion of the cylinder screws. This process step is now documented one last time with a photo. If the operator confirms this image with the I/O, an inventory posting is automatically made in the system. Ever since we started using Sarissa, we've been able to greatly improve the quality of our products. We benefit by having a faster familiarization phase, as well as having significantly increased our process reliability. Sarissa has been very helpful both during the project phase and afterwards with their customer support. We look forward to future projects in cooperation with Sarissa.